Hello and welcome again in Stocks Advisor. Today we will talk about Adobe Systems, ticker name ADBE, traded at Nasdaq. Well, we see today making a white candle with some reasonable upward shadow, and overall the pattern we see here in general is so-called a change of the trend or upward trend, which usually could be accompanied with one last correction move, and then actually we should go higher. To understand what it is and how to read it, let's do a quick analysis here. So as always, at our daily charts, we have three moving averages depicted. These are moving averages 20, 50 and 200. Here on the left you see their legends being green, blue and red line correspondingly. So why is it important today to look at them? Because overall, if you look at moving average 200, the red line is going upwards. So overall the tendency to go higher is there. But what is very important, these are moving averages 20 and 50, especially 20, it's the green line declining, but now you see it is about to bend up, and it was pierced simultaneously with the price action, which is growing here. So if you see, and this usually means the general reverse of the trend. So when you have descending moving averages 20 and 50, and then suddenly moving average 20 starts to turn and it pierced from the bottom with the price action, it means let's say the reverse of the trend or the longer wave up. And some examples could be seen, for example, in November, December action. You can see here similar pattern. It was returning moving average 20 and then pierced with the price, one last correction, and then we go. The same was observed by January, end of January, similar situation here. You can see another wave piercing up, small correction, and then we go. And yeah, so this you can see many times actually, and that's indeed the case here. Again, we're about to turn. So what we could see, especially having this big upward shadow seen, and it's bouncing downwards today from moving average 50, it means that it could be a small corrective move and then we go high, and on this high go you can make actually a profit. For those who would be more midterm traders, let's say, this would be the R1 level, would be kind of let's say the target price. But if you are just a quick trader, daily trader, here you can take up to 10 to 15% profit. That's always we advise to take, and we also do take it ourselves at our channel. So once you take it, really enjoy it. As we always say, taken profit is taken indeed, meaning that once you press sell, you take the profit, it's yours. Then you can either re-enter or check other opportunities. Also at our channel you can find many of those. Of other parameters, very interesting here, it's RSI. You can clearly see it's going higher now, so really trying to tend upwards. Moving MACD histogram is, after making two negative waves, is now on positive move and looks like making a secondary upwards wave, which could also cause some price to increase, but some correction is possible. As I said, very small one towards this upwards line. We can actually name it R2. So how then to trade here? Well, the first easiest answer would be we need to enter already. Anything below the current price action till the moving average 20 would be the level to enter. So it will make for us, if we write it here, between 450 all the way to 460. I will skip cents here because it's just big numbers. Between 450 460, that will be the first entry. And then on this small rebounds we could go higher, which is good still for this position, for this stock, is that it's still within a flat trading channel, meaning that if you look here, let's say this trading channel, R1, R3 we can call it, is repeating itself already like half a year almost. So it's quite nice. So whenever you are lower to R3, you can always wait to go to R1. So it's overall kind of stable and kind of safe. Yes, we pierced it downwards recently, but now it's clear reversive move, so we can take it from there on. And this would be the first level to enter. Of course, what might happen, it could be opening of a lower downward channel if it goes like this, really working as a very strong resist level, which happened today at moving average 20. Then we will be forming, let's draw it like this, a descending channel, which would mean that we might still actually, then it will be maybe some channel similar to this one, like this. Then what could be happening here is that we still might go a little bit lower for correction, which this is less probable pattern, but even if this will be happening, we just need to be prepared for this and to enter accordingly. So if this will be happening, we need to look at this level. Let's name those as well. Let it be a T1 and T2. So instead of R1, R3, T1, T2 will be forming here, we need to anticipate a little bit lower entering, and then we can just look at the next support level, which will be really at this 425, which was really seen as a strong support level recently, but also in July-August action. So then anything between this and up to the level of 415 would be another entry opportunity here, making it again a very stronger corrective move, although you would need to wait a little bit longer. But if formation of T1, T2 is confirmed, then you can just easily wait there and to re-enter. So this will be between 415 all the way till 425. And then again, whenever the rebounds takes place, you can take your profit 10 to 15% from the funds allocated in this position and then enjoy it. If we will go to this level, the second level, then most probably R3 and actually T1 will be the price target to wait for. So, but then it could be piercing further and growing up again. So overall, this stock, even if it declines a little bit now, is in general very good, very progressive. And in that sense, that's actually it with it. We don't have here any third level support, because in general it is kind of strong in the position of reverse if you trade it like this overall, and the company is stable in that sense overall. So very rare situation when we have only two levels on support, actually one level of support, two levels to enter, and the way to trade here would be 1, 2, meaning the funds you would like to play here you can split in 3 portions. Then you can buy with 1 portion in the first channel, and you can average down with 2 portions in the second channel. This will make it for you non-linear average down, meaning that if you will be and when you will be entering at the lower level, your current price will be not in the middle, but will be closer to actually your new entry position, making it most profitable once you rebound. So that's all idea about non-linear averaging down. So with this being said, that's the numerical card to trade. If you are more for graphical representation, you could look here, just make a screenshot of this one and you can use it as a trading card. So on this being said, good luck with Adobe systems and see you at another episodes of Stocks Advisor channel.